In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make over $900 on a single sale with the Vista Social affiliate program. And I'll also be giving you 2 free affiliate strategies at the end of this video. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform where you can come and find the best affiliate programs. Now let's go ahead and get started. And if you don't know what Vista Social is, it's an all-in-one social media management platform. It can handle all your publishing needs on various platforms, and it also connects with ChatGPT to write content. You can also easily engage with your followers, and you can manage all your comments and messages. You can browse analytics and monitor your social media performance. You can also monitor your brand reputation and manage reviews on different platforms. You can also create sophisticated listening queries, and you can monitor when people are talking about your brand online. And it works with Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, and other platforms. And here's the pricing page so you can get an idea of how much you'll make as an affiliate. You'll make 20% reoccurring commission for 1 year. So if you get a customer to sign up to the enterprise plan, which is $379 a month, you will make $909 in commission in 1 year, which is absolutely crazy. And signing up to the affiliate program is super easy. All you need to do is click the link down below. It will bring you to this page, and go ahead and click the register button, and it will bring you to this form, and you just fill it out. It will only take you 1 minute, and go ahead and click sign up. And then it will bring you into the affiliate dashboard, and you can see right here, it has a bunch of details about how many clicks and referrals we've gotten, and you can copy this link right here. You can also add custom links to different pages, and you can start sharing it and making money. And one of the great things about this affiliate program is it also offers you a 10% discount coupon that you can give people so they're incentivized to sign up with you directly. I think this affiliate program has a ton of potential, and I want to give you 2 free strategies on how you can promote it. One is to do YouTube videos reviewing Vista Social and going over the features. And you can see right here, this is a video, and there's a link in the description, and then you can monetize that with your affiliate link. Another way is social media posts. You can see right here, Vista Social Review 2025. How good is this social media tool? And if we scroll down, we can see an affiliate link, and you can earn commissions this way if you don't want to do videos. And I highly recommend you guys sign up to this affiliate program. If you want to find more affiliate programs, then make sure to check out affiliate.watch. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.